This is the Tandem tiny house, which feels very spacious on that end. The kitchen is fairly good size with lots of counter space and actual storage. The bathroom is extremely tiny, especially the shower, and it's dark. There's no sink in the bathroom. There's a window, and there's some storage space over the toilet, which is a great way to make use of over the toilet space. That's it for the bathroom. There is a doorknob for a sliding barn door, which does not slide very easily at all. Whew. And there's a tall mirror there behind the door. That's a good point for that. That was not easy. Looks like there is some sort of, maybe that's the electrical panel hiding there. A little bit of storage space above the microwave. But there is cabinets down below. That one is just water tank. That one doesn't move. This one's just a little thing. Let's see, this one, trash and cleaning. This one has your actual cooking stuff and basic eating. So not so much cooking, although there is a hot plate just for the tea. And then the ladder position is currently making it so you can't open the fridge. There is a kind of normal sized table for eating. There is a hanging space there for your coats. There's the door, which does open and close normally like a normal sized door. Light there. There is some storage up the top, which is an interesting shelf area for storage on both sides. There's a storage loft there that's not being used for anything except a fan. And this area here is a trundle bed, I believe. It's a super cute bed space. This is actually also the couch and the main bed in the room. Very nice and open feeling with this big window, really windows on all sides. And here's a view of this end, back where we just were. And then there's another sleeping space up here with a ladder that's movable. And this is a tiny, tiny sleeping space. And this ladder is okay to use, but it just hooks on there with some hooks, which makes it jiggle every time you step. Scary. This is a really tight headroom. You really need dormers in there to give you that head space. Cute that they put the Goodnight Oregon book on the beds. There is a, I guess you call it skylight window, and that one looks like it opens and has a curtain. But man, you would not be able to really sit up two people in bed there. It just sits right there on the floor. There's breathing room though because there's space, so the mattress has breathing. Man, that's so tight though. I'm afraid to even go all the way up in here. And oh, I'm gonna put this down. Whew. Crawling up in, trying not to mess up their bed. Oh, hold on. Knees on hard floor. Whew. Okay. Alright. Whoa. Man, I do not want to do that. God, that would hurt to get in and out of your bed every morning or night. Wouldn't want to have to go to the bathroom. Whew. Man, that was some steep. It's like a step ladder. It's not a ladder, it's not steps. Definitely would not want to go down this direction and have to turn around to go back down. But here's the bed. I'm sitting now at this position and my head is totally hitting the bed. Let's see. Yeah, really tight headroom. And let's see, I'm gonna put the phone in a more interesting place maybe as I crawl down. Nope. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Trying to rest the phone. Alright, fine. I gotta turn around. Oh man, this ladder shakes a little bit when you're turning. Alright. Turning down. Going down now. Oh, this ladder moves. Alright. Whew. That was scary. I don't want to do that. Hell no. Alright. That was the Tandem tiny house. Does feel very spacious on that end though. I like that part.